Hello, guys. For today's video, we will be editing a poster of Nike shoes. If you want to learn the features of Canva, watch this Canva editing tutorial. First, I downloaded a photo of these Nike shoes from Google. Next, we'll change the background to black to match the color of the shoes. Now, let's blend the background with a gradient. Using a lighter shade of black will make it more visually appealing. Watch carefully so you can see how I blend the colors to get the right mix. If you're learning how to edit using Canva, this video is perfect for you. And if you find it difficult to follow the blending steps to achieve the perfect background, feel free to slow down the video. And now that we're done with the background, let's move on to editing the Nike shoes. Now, I'm adjusting the photo to make sure it fits perfectly and is aligned at the center of the poster. Now, we will duplicate the Nike shoes to create a mirror effect, making it look like the shoes are reflected in a mirror. Flip to adjust the photo and achieve the mirror effect. Then, adjust the transparency to make it slightly blurred, giving it a more realistic and perfect mirror effect. Next, go to Elements and choose a shadow effect to place in the middle of the photo, making it look like the Nike shoes have a realistic shadow. I will choose the shadow because I think it's the best one that fits perfectly with the design. Since this shadow is quite large, we can crop and resize it so that it fits the design perfectly and blends naturally with the Nike shoes. Perfect. We're done editing the Nike shoes, and it's great to see how realistic they look. That's why I love using Canva. It's really user-friendly. If you want to edit photos or videos, I highly recommend using Canva. Now, let's move on to adding the text. This step will help enhance our poster and make it more eye-catching. Choosing the right font, size, and placement is important to make the design stand out. So, let's carefully add the text to complete and polish our final look. And now, let's adjust the letter spacing because it helps improve the overall readability and style of the text. Let's add some Nike shoe elements because they will enhance the design and make the poster more attractive. Adding these elements helps create a stronger visual impact and reinforces the theme of the product we're promoting. It also gives the layout more detail and dimension, making the overall design look more dynamic and engaging for viewers. I will change the color to yellow because it complements the overall design and matches the text style we used earlier. Now, let's add a price tag to make the poster more informative and appealing to potential buyers. Canva is really nice because everything you need for your edit is already available. You can find all the elements you need right there in the Elements section. This makes designing so much easier and faster since you have access to various shapes, icons, and graphics to complete your work. Now, I'm going to blend the color of the price tag into yellow with a touch of black to match the color scheme of the shoes. This combination will make the price tag stand out while still blending harmoniously with the overall design. Using colors that complement each other helps create a cohesive and visually appealing poster. Now, click on Layer to move it to the back so that the price tag is positioned correctly and doesn't cover any important elements of the design. Let's go back and edit the text since we haven't achieved the right design yet. I will choose the splice effect to make the text look better and give it a more dynamic style. Then, I'll change the color to black so it contrasts well with the yellow outline, making the text pop while still matching the overall theme of the poster. And for this running icon, I will change the color to black. And now, we will be adding a promotional text. I'll be using a white font color with the Canva Sans font to keep it clean, modern, and easy to read. We will place this at the bottom of the poster because it looks better and does not cover the main design of the Nike shoes. Positioning the promotional text at the bottom creates a balanced layout and makes the poster look more organized. Now, I will add rectangle elements as a background for the text to make it look cleaner and more highlighted. This will help the text stand out against the poster's background. And now, here's the final look. If you want more editing tutorials, just comment down below what you'd like me to edit next. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I'll be more inspired to keep editing and sharing my Canva creations. Thanks for watching.